learn how to set up Visual Studio Code for web development. So open your browser and type in the Google Visual Studio Code. You will find the very first result with code.visualstudio.com. We will click on that, and then we need to click on download for Windows. Once you have downloaded, a file will look like this, Visual Code setup, and we just need to open that. It will ask you to accept. I'll click on next and then the location. And here we will mention create a desktop icon as well. We should have some extensions as well. And I'll let you know what extensions and how we can install it. So we will click on launch Visual Studio Code and we will click on finish. And here we have the search, source control, run and debug, and extensions. So you just need to click on extensions. Very first extension we need to search is for the live server. So live server, local server with live reload feature for static and dynamic pages. So you can simply click on install, trust publisher and install. And once this is done, now the next extension is the JavaScript, a very important extension. So just type Java and you will find Java Platform Extension, Oracle Corporation, and I'll click on install. I'll click on install again. And again, the third one is the Bootstrap. You know how important it is. Bootstrap. Here is the Bootstrap for snippet paste. You will simply click on that and install. The most installed extension 3.5 millions. You will click on install, as publisher, and it is done. Once this is done, we need to create a folder into the workspace. So I'll click on add folder to workspace. We'll make a folder right here. Please pardon me. HTML. I'll select this. I'll click on add. Trust yes. So I have selected the folder. So basically we have created a folder. So once you have created the project, you can create a file. Go to file and select new file. And you can enter the file name and you can keep on. So basically you need to spend more time and you will be the master of Visual Studio Code. If you find this tutorial short and helpful, please hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day.